One of the biggest problems that large enterprises face is how do we reduce the risk of failure, and how do we figure out how to allocate our capital in order to grow new revenue streams or to expand our presence in existing markets. So we talk a lot about innovation, but it's really about innovating the business. It's about working in a new way. It's about thinking in new ways, not just about creating breakthrough products, but across the business model in order to make these enterprises more agile and be able to respond to the uncertainty that's in the marketplace today. Fundamentally, what Moves the Needle does is works with everyone inside the organization, from grassroots practitioners all the way up to leaders, to validate our grand ideas in the marketplace before we invest millions and millions of dollars.
The process that we apply for doing that is actually lean innovation. We see ourselves as catalysts inside these organizations. We drop in, we help teach them how to work and how to behave differently, how to lead differently, how to balance the search versus the execution.
The way that our companies are structured now, our large enterprises, most of the employees are really far from the customer. And so that's part of lean innovation, is bringing individuals inside the company closer to the customer so that we can understand the customers more deeply so that we can solve their problems. Instead of staying inside the building and coming up with all of these grand ideas, we also need to expose our assumptions. What do we not know about these ideas? Where's the uncertainty that we can actually run experiments and go validate or invalidate our assumptions about these ideas? And finally, can we make decisions based upon evidence from the marketplace rather than just because we're industry experts?
Lean innovation not only applies with your products and services that are external facing with customers outside the building, but it applies to customers inside the building as well. That this way of working actually empowers employees. Instead of feeling like a cog inside the giant machine and not being able to see your impact, you see your direct impact on customers. Really what we're looking to do is shift the culture of the company so that the organization understands how they can both execute really well, continue to do that, continue to grow the existing business, and at the same time be able to learn how they can add new value in the world.